Hey guys, it's Stephen from HDQ Chartered Accountants, and I'm going to tell you the steps that are required in order to buy an investment property under a discretionary trust. So before you set up any structure, you need to make sure that you understand what the structure entails, because the best structure for you is a structure that you can understand. You don't want to be blindly following advice from an accountant, setting you up X, Y, and Z structure that you don't understand to end up at the same taxation outcome, but with a bill 5 times larger than it should be. So do your research about the structures, understand how it works, and then get in contact with an accountant to confirm your understanding. And make sure that it's appropriate for your scenario before you set anything up. You can also choose to converse with a mortgage broker to check your borrowing capacity before you get the whole thing started and whether or not it fits into your overall investment plan. Once you're good with that, go ahead and engage an accountant or a lawyer to set up the trust for you. Because if you set it up yourself, there are many pitfalls that you can fall into, which would attract additional surcharges, especially when it comes with investment property purchases. Once the structure has been set up, give the documents to the mortgage broker so that he can obtain pre-approval under the trust. So we understand that since the loan will be under the trust name, we will be the guarantors for that loan, which means that our income will be used for the serviceability under the trust. And another important thing to note is that the borrowing capacity will be slightly lower under a discretionary trust because there is no negative gearing, which means that the income tax effect will be slightly higher in the serviceability calculation, which means that your borrowing capacity will be slightly lower. After you've got your pre-approval, you can go shopping as per normal, as buying through any other structure, but the main difference is the name that you put onto the contract of sale. So it would normally read Trustee Company, Pty Ltd, ACN, 9 digits as trustee for the discretionary trust. After you've done that, you need to continue to administer the trust. That means you need to manage the trust bank account, make sure that it's compliant, and the trustee is acting in the best interest of the beneficiaries per the trust deed.